Rayban versus Oakley. They're both owned by Luxottica and start around $150, but their purposes couldn't be more different. Rayban is the steward of timeless culture, born in 1937 for pilots and refined into the world's most iconic lifestyle brand. Oakley is pure engineering, built with sweat-resistant grips and high-impact protection for those who push their limits. It's in the lenses, too. Ray-Ban's chromance enhances the city, while Oakley's prism tunes colors for specific sports environments. Now they're leading the tech frontier with Meta, offering AI and cameras in styles that fit your life or your game. Ray-Ban for the streets, Oakley for the peaks. Which excellence fits your next adventure? Choosing the right sunglasses can be tough. Today, we're pitting two giants against each other, Ray-Ban and Oakley. Let's start with Ray-Ban. When you think of Ray-Ban, think of style. This brand is your go-to for timeless, fashionable sunglasses that are perfect for everyday fashion, driving, and casual wear. They heavily rely on classic materials, constructing their frames from high-quality acetate and metal. A major standout for Ray-Ban is their renowned glass lenses, such as those featured in the famous RB3025 Aviator, which provide incredibly high visual clarity. If you want to channel that iconic daily style, you'll be looking at legendary models like the Wayfarer, the Aviator, or the Clubmaster. Now, let's switch gears to Oakley. If Ray-Ban is the king of style, Oakley is the master of performance. Oakley is designed for the athlete, the adventurer, and anyone who needs their gear to work as hard as they do. Unlike Ray-Ban's acetate, Oakley uses O-Matter, a lightweight, stress-resistant material designed for impact protection. The real game changer here is prism lens technology, which fine-tunes individual colors to enhance detail. It's not just about shade. It's about seeing the terrain more clearly, whether you're on the water or the trail. Popular models like the Holbrook and Frogskins bridge the gap, while the Radar and Jawbreaker are pure sport. When we look at durability, Ray-Ban's glass lenses are scratch-resistant but can shatter. Oakley uses plutonite, a polycarbonate that's nearly indestructible and provides 100% UV protection. For those who sweat, Oakley's unobtainium material actually increases grip as you move. Ray-Ban focuses more on a weighted premium feel that speaks to high-end craftsmanship. So, where are you going? If it's a business meeting or a casual brunch, Ray-Ban is your best friend. But for fishing, skiing, or running, the security and tech of Oakley are hard to beat. Both brands offer extensive customization, but Oakley's options for specialized sports lenses are vast. Price-wise, they are competitors. Expect to invest between $150 and $300 for either. It really comes down to this: are you looking for a statement piece or a tool? Choose Ray-Ban for a legacy of style that will never go out of fashion. It's the ultimate cool factor. Choose Oakley if you need precision optics and a frame that can handle anything the world throws at you. At the end of the day, there's a reason both brands have dominated for decades. They both excel at what they do. Which side are you on? The classic style of Ray-Ban or the bold performance of Oakley? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp out there. We'll see you in the next review. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the ultimate eyewear showdown, Ray-Ban versus Oakley. Two brands, two completely different worlds. One defined by timeless style, the other by cutting-edge performance. Let's find out which one belongs on your face. Ray-Ban started it all in 1936 with the Aviator, originally designed for pilots. It quickly became more than just utility, it became a global symbol of cool. Then came the Wayfarer in the 50s, revolutionizing eyewear with bold plastic frames. From Hollywood stars to rock legends, Ray-Ban is for those who want to make a statement. It's about heritage, fashion, and an effortless aesthetic that never goes out of style. Whether it's the Clubmaster or the Justin, their catalog is built on timeless silhouettes. It's not just eyewear, it's a lifestyle chosen by those who value classic design. The beauty of Ray-Ban is versatility. They look just as good with a suit as they do with a t-shirt. Constructed with premium acetates and crystal lenses, they offer clarity and durability. When you wear Ray-Bans, you're wearing a piece of history. But what if your lifestyle involves more sweat and speed? On the flip side, we have Oakley. If Ray-Ban is the stylish celebrity, Oakley is the elite athlete. Oakley is heavily focused on high-performance sports, durability, and high-impact activities. The brand is the gold standard for activities like cycling, running, and skiing. Instead of traditional materials, Oakley uses their proprietary lightweight and durable O-Matter TM frames, complete with secure grips to make sure they stay planted on your face when you're moving fast. When it comes to lenses, Oakley utilizes prism technology, designed for specific environments. It is specifically designed to enhance color contrast and significantly boost visibility during activities. Their iconic models reflect this aggressive, sporty edge that athletes around the world trust, including the Radar EV Path, Flak 2.0, and the lifestyle crossover Holbrook. These aren't just glasses, they are pieces of equipment designed to protect and perform. Oakley's history is defined by constant innovation and breaking the rules of eyewear design. So Rayban or Oakley? If you want a classic look that fits every occasion, Rayban is your winner. But for pushing your limits, Oakley is the clear choice. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Welcome back. Today we're settling the ultimate eyewear debate. Rayban versus Oakley. Both brands are legends, but they serve very different purposes. Rayban is the gold standard for timeless style, while Oakley leads the way in high-octane performance and futuristic technology. Oakley's Prism Tech and shatterproof Plutonite lenses are built for the toughest sports, whereas Rayban focuses on heritage and daily luxury. So, what's the final verdict? Which one should you choose? It all boils down to your daily lifestyle. If your goal is to have a timeless, fashionable accessory for your everyday routine, Rayban is your clear winner. But if you need durable, high-performance, sport-specific eyewear to keep up with an active lifestyle, Oakley is the brand for you. Thanks for tuning in to this breakdown. Until next time, keep your vision clear and your style sharp.